Here is a statement regarding a high wind watch for the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Greene, Iowa, Lafayette, Rock, and Sauk. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour possible. Where? Marquette, Green Lake, Sauk, Columbia, Iowa, Dane, Lafayette, Greene, and Rock counties. When? From Wednesday evening through late Wednesday night. Impacts: damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: be sure to secure any loose outdoor items and holiday decorations. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Now for the official